Travis, what do you think of Obama?
Travis, don't.
What do you think of new taxes? Hey, Nancy, what do you think of gun control? Me too. What do you think of people who voted for Obama? Me too. Really? What do you like? What do you like? Do you like puppy dogs? No puppy dogs.
Do you like mommy? Oh. Do you like daddy? Well, I'm glad it's both of us.
What do you think about...
You don't even know what he's gonna ask.
What do you think about thinking? No, I think the same way about thinking. What do you think about car cabs?
Really?
What do you think about winters that never freaking end in Washington?
Hi, you are soaked from the spitting, baby. Hi. Hello, beauty mess. Hello.
Are your lips all tingly and vibrating?
Oh, thank you. Are you all done? Say bye-bye.
What do you think about potholes? What do you think about broccoli? What do you think about dirty poopy diapers? What do you think about a 6-day work week? Whoa, you really don't like that idea?
Macy Myers, you are soaked. You're going to have new pajamas. Okay.
Oh.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
What do you think about saying bye-bye?